Hey, what's up everybody? This is Osama here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a custom redirect page for your documents that you create in Go High Level. Now, this can really help you improve the customer experience by redirecting them to a page where you want them to take more action, or maybe you just want to take them to a thank you page, ensuring that you thank them for their time. So in this video, I have a demo ready for you. I've created a marketing service agreement that I will be sending to my clients. And once they sign that, I want to take them to a thank you page where I also want to prompt an action. So this is the page where I want to send them, which is ready to get started. Thank you for completing the contract. So once they have done that step, I want them to start the onboarding process, which will take them to a checklist of things that they need to do before we start the marketing program for them. So this way we make sure that we are doing the right expectation setting in the start. So now let's see how we can set this up. So the first thing you need to do in your sub account is head over to payments and under documents and contracts. So you can see here that this is the part where you create your documents or contracts. You can click on new here and then choose the type. I already have a marketing service agreement created right here. So I'll just open that. So this is a sample agreement which you can easily set up by dragging these elements right here and then customizing them. So I've just used the text part here, and towards the end I'm using these elements which are fillable fields like signature, the text field for collecting the name as well as the date. So you can have these in here, and if you want to set up a custom redirect for just this document, then you can go here to settings and then you will see enable redirect to custom URL. All you have to do is just enable it, and here you can paste the link of this page right here. Of course, I just have the preview link here, but this is where you can add your own domain and then make sure that you add it here. You can choose to open an existing tab or open a new tab. I always recommend this. So once you have done that, we can go ahead and click on save here. And now if we send it to somebody, I'm just going to do the link for now and generate the link. So let's go ahead and copy this, and I'm going to open this in an incognito window. So let's go ahead and then let's fill this out. So I'll click here, then enter my name here, add a signature and accept and sign. And then in the date, I'll select today's date. And then let's go ahead and finish it. So once we do that, it will say that we are going to be redirected to this page. We can click here. And once you do that, you will see this is the page where we wanted our client to go. In this case, this is of course me. So this is how you can easily set up a redirect. So this was one way to do it, which is only per contract or only per document. But if you want to set up a global setting and you do not want to customize it every single time and you want to have the same setting across all the documents, then you can also set it at a global level. So if I go back from here and then under documents and contracts, if I click on the settings button right here, under document settings, you can also find this option, which is the global setting for all documents. So I can enable this, and now I can choose the same settings here and then hit save. And now this will apply on all the documents. But this is an important thing to note, that if you do have a different custom URL redirect set up in another document, then this will not overwrite that. So that way you can ensure that this will only apply to the documents where you do not have any redirect set up, ensuring it is not overriding a custom redirect in a specific document that you had set up. So that was all about this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below. This is Osama signing off. I'll see you in the next one.